Hi, my name is Adam Bradley, and I'm the owner of Innovative Restorations Incorporated, a full-service automotive repair and restoration facility. I've always admired the skill that went into building antique vehicles, and that's why I opened Innovative Restorations in 2014 to keep that craftsmanship alive and to carry it over to modern vehicle repair. In 2017, we relocated Innovative Restorations to a larger facility here in Wallingford, Connecticut, to accommodate the demand for our unique expertise. My goal with the FedEx grant money is to hire an additional passionate technician and to start an annual cruise and car show to inspire a new generation of tradesmen in the surrounding communities.